go.
Good.
Look at that one. No, look at that one. Say hello. Hello.
I thought you pointed at the ice cream part. I was looking at him.
Yes, let's go get an ice cream. Look how we going. Look. We don't. Because we didn't have to. She's staying there. So what's the minimum tyre tread depth? I've literally just told you 2 seconds ago.
So it's 1.6.
That's it, 1.6. Yeah. Now then. Okay, so can you see those number plates on the fence over there?
Not really, no, I'm not twisting on it.
Okay, have a look at that one over there then. See, there's a number plate on the fence. Can you see it?
Oh, yeah, now I can, yeah.
Read the number plate for me.
It's
Read it.
Romeo 7 60 Yankee let's see. Yeah, CC.
Yeah, Charlie.
Yeah, that's it. I should know that.
They could ask you to open the bonnet and do things under the bonnet.
No.
Yeah, don't worry about that. It's easy, okay? How do you check that your tyres are safe and legal to use on the road?
Yeah.
You know?
Well, wouldn't you have to feel the tyres how...
Ooh, tyres!
Well, I mean, if the balls, you wouldn't be driving on the road with them, but I don't know too much about it.
So what's the minimum tyre tread depth?
Is it 1.2?
Nearly. What's the legal age of joining the army with your parents' consent?
Isn't it 18?
No.
I think.
What's the legal age of
16.
getting married? That's it. So 16, okay? It's not 16mm.
Oh my God.
Just think 1.6. Yeah, 1.6. Yeah? So what's the minimum tyre tread depth?
Oh, bloody hell.
I've literally just told you 2 seconds ago.
So it's 1.6?
That's it, 1.6. Yeah. Now then, is there anything else you're looking for? Cuts, maybe? Hit the curb and there's damage to the side of the tyre?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what did we say before about how inflated they were? And then
No, that's a different question.
Yeah.
Okay, safe and legal means tyre tread depth and any cuts and bulges on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, any damage to the side.
Yeah.
So what's the minimum tyre tread depth? Come on.
1.6.
Yes. There we go. So we're turning right here. So clutch down for me into first gear. Okay. That's enough of me talking. And we'll turn left at the end of the road, please. So you'll notice I'm looking at you, okay? I'm staring at you.
I thought it was in person.
So why have we come to a stop? Was there anything coming?
No.
What are you supposed to do if there's nothing coming?
Go. I was pretending like I was in a test. Like
You looked like there was something wrong with you.
No, I just wanted to show that I was going to stop.
Just drive normally. Don't change anything. Don't try and impress the examiner. Just do what we've been practicing, what I've been teaching you to do. Mm-hmm. Just do that. Don't change anything. We're turning left. 1, 2, 3. What's the routine? Centre mirror first, left mirror second. Pull up on the left here for me, please. It is November 2026 you've got your last year test, yeah? October 2026.
Yeah.
Cool. That gives us 2.5 years. Well done.
This October I meant, yeah.
Oh shit, no, can you move it to 2026? I'm kidding, okay. Right. Move away when ready, please.
Okay.
No.
I'm in first gear.
Yes, you are, yeah.
Check my mirrors.
Anything else? There we go.
Oh, for God's sake.
You can't move away with your left indicator on. It'll confuse everybody. Move away when ready, please.
Oh.
You can't move away with your left. There we go.
Did you do that just to
Yes, I
trick
did.
me further?
No, trying to make it cement into your brain that you can't move away with the left indicator on, okay? Now then, assess the situation in front of you. It's not your normal situation here. Got enough space?
Ooh, it's a bit tight.
That's it. Less space, less speed.
Okay.
More
Is he waiting
space.
there?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on this fella here on the left. That's it. So we're going left of the roundabout, please. That's it. Which curb are we going to follow if we're going left? Look to the right. Look to the right. That's it. Look ahead. Look to the right. There's nothing coming. Now, I asked you to look to the right then. Okay. Why did I ask you to look to the right?
To see the traffic that's coming towards me.
Give yourself a heads up. When are you supposed to start assessing the situation?
Beforehand.
As soon as you see the roundabout, yeah?
Yeah.
The second you see there's a roundabout, or even if you know there's a roundabout around the corner, start thinking about it. Start assessing the situation. Trying to figure out or pick up on any clues if there's anything coming. We're going to do a hill start and we're going to do a pull up on the right, okay? So we'll take the next turning on the left, please. 1, 2, that's it. Lovely clutch work, well done. Now then, I'd like you to find somewhere convenient to pull up on the left for me, please. Handbrake on into neutral for me. Marks out of 10 for distance from the curb.
It's a little far. A little. How far am I?
That's your maximum distance, okay?
Okay.
No further than that. We're actually about 13, 14 inches, something like that?
Too far.
Yeah? No, that's your maximum, okay? Any further than that, yeah, and you will be too far. Okay? You're right on the edge of the maximum.
Yeah.
Try and get a little bit closer next time.
Yeah.
Look at all that curb you've got in front of you.
Yeah.
So as you're approaching that curb, yeah, look into the distance, look into the mirror, bounce between those two, yeah, and getting a little bit closer, a little bit closer, a little bit closer, a little bit closer, okay?
Just like that. Put my
right
yeah,
then. And move away when ready, please.
Okay.
Yes.
This is what I don't like. Hill starts. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Eventually you check your blind spots, okay? Well done.